to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash first impressions on a company called Glossier or Glossier. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Basically, it's a makeup company, and I kept seeing these ads pop up on Instagram, and I am definitely not one to go on Instagram or even Facebook and see ads and buy something, but they kept popping up on my feed, and they must be really good at marketing or something, because I've been wanting to try these makeup products for so long, so I finally caved and bought them. So I guess this is like an Instagram made me buy it type of video, because it really did make me buy these products, because I couldn't help myself. So before we get into this video, I do lots of videos on this channel, anything from, makeup and hair tutorials, beauty hauls. I do unboxings, vlogs, all that fun stuff. So if you like a lot of variety, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss my future videos. And with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this review. So one of the reasons I was so drawn to this company and wanting to try their makeup products is because they really brand themselves on natural makeup. So all of this makeup is meant for, really just enhancing your natural features, which is why I'm not wearing any makeup right now. Basically, the only thing I have on my face is my regular daily moisturizer, my SPF, and I did put some tinted moisturizer on, but that's it. I have not done my eyebrows. I don't have anything else on because I really want to test out these products on my natural face and see how they look. So if you are someone, who doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup, or you go through periods like me where you like to give your face a break, but you also like to just enhance your natural features and look just like very naturally pretty, then this is a good brand to try out. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, so that's why I was drawn to it though, because it's really meant to just enhance your natural features, and all of these products you're supposed to be able to apply with your fingers, so it's supposed to be really easy to do. So I'm really excited to get into this. So the first thing I wanted to show you was actually the packaging and what I got and the products that I'm going to be trying out. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. So it says, make the world glossier in the inside, and it's like pastel, like pink, so it's really, really pretty. And I did get quite a few products to try out, and it came in these like bubble wrap type of packaging with a really nice little plastic bag to protect it. And then also too, I got one of their kits online, because if you're buying some of their stuff, you can get some things in threes to save a little bit of money instead of buying them individual. So it came in this little box. So the products that I got are in these bags. So I got a total of 6 products all together. So since I'm trying out so many products today, I'm actually just going to go through them one by one and test them out. And if you guys want to know the prices and stuff like that, I will definitely link everything down below if you are interested in trying out any of these products. All right guys, so I got you a little bit closer so that I can test out the products and you can see them better. But the first product that I'm going to be testing out is their concealer. Right off the bat, I really like the packaging. It's really shiny, it's really pretty. Not like that really matters. At the end of the day, the quality of the product is what matters, but it is really pretty. And I got this in the color Light shade 10. So like I said, I'm going to be linking all of this down below if this is something that you want to take a look at. And this video is not sponsored at all. I just saw these ads on Instagram and felt like I needed to try this. But basically, this is what it looks like. So the light color is obviously light, and it looks like a really pretty creamy type of color. So I guess I'm just going to go in with my finger. Yeah, the consistency is really creamy. I'm going to go in underneath my eyes and apply some concealer under my eyes and kind of just blend it in. You are supposed to be able to apply all this stuff with your fingers, which is awesome. But I did bring my beauty blender because I like blending with my beauty blender always. So far it looks like really good coverage, and I like it's not too light, but it's not too dark, because this is meant to be a little bit more subtle, so it's brightening my under eye, but not to the point where it looks unnatural. It's just kind of helping me look more awake. And I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. That was really easy to blend, you guys. It's already blended. And my beauty blender is not even that damp. So it's very spreadable, very workable, and I like that. I feel like it looks really natural. It looks like I'm not wearing anything. It just looks like my face is really bright and awake and happy and fresh. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes, because I think no matter what type of concealer you use, at least for me, if you don't set it, it's bound to crease, just because the natural crease lines under your eyes. So I am gonna set it. So the next thing I'm going to be trying out is their brow gel, which is called Boy Brow. And this is like really popular on their Instagram. A lot of people swear by this, so I was really excited to try this. I just got it in the shade brown. So they have, I think they have like a couple different shades. They even have a clear shade, like if you just want to keep your eyebrows in place, but you don't want to, you know, add any color or anything. This is what the little spoolie looks like. So let's go ahead and try this out. So this is how both the brows look together. This one looks darker, it's just because my lighting sucks. See, now it looks the same. But anyways, I do really like this product. The only thing I will say is that I was expecting the color payoff to be a little bit better, but at the same time, I already have very thick, bold eyebrows on their own. So that could just be because my eyebrows are already pretty out there. I mean, you know what I mean? So if you're somebody who has just like maybe thinner eyebrows and you fill them in, but maybe you want something that's a little bit quicker, that's gonna have a good color payoff and hold your eyebrows in place, I think this will work really well for somebody who probably just doesn't have like huge monstrous eyebrows like I already do. But even so, with the eyebrows, with my eyebrows, I still like it. I still think that it looks really good. It's a quick way to do my eyebrows before I leave the house if I don't have time to do like the eye pencil. In fact, I might just like start doing this in its place because it looks pretty much the same as when I use my eyebrow pencil. The next product that I'm going to be trying out is probably the one that I am the most excited to try out. It is their like their blush, and they call it Cloud Paint. So it comes in this tube, and basically this is the Instagram ad that got me. It showed these like beautiful, natural, gorgeous women applying a little bit of this paste onto their finger and kind of just like dabbing it into place, and it just looks so beautiful. It made their skin look like super naturally like rosy and beautiful. So this is what drew me into the company to begin with. So let's go ahead and see if it lives up to the hype. And I got mine in the color Beam. Oh shoot, I got way too much. I got a little bit on my thumb. Whoops. Not really. No. Oh, yep. Okay, that might be too much. Let's see. Let's put some on that side too. Color payoff is good. I mean, hardly any, you guys, and I can see the color payoff. Probably put a little bit more. Oh wow, that's really pretty in person. I'm gonna add a little bit more so you guys can see it on camera, but it does add like such a pretty natural like color to your cheekbones. And I like that it's liquid too, and that everything you can apply with your fingers. It just makes it so easy. Like if you're gonna be traveling and you don't wanna take all your makeup and you just wanna go like super natural, like all this stuff is like super lightweight, super easy to take with you and just apply without a bunch of like makeup brushes and stuff. Do you guys see that? I'm sorry, I'm amazed. This is like, in person it's even so much more beautiful, and it's so easy to blend, and wow, I really like that. That is so pretty. Like, tell me what you guys think, but I just think it adds like such a, it still looks, I feel like it still looks like I'm not wearing makeup. Like I just have this like amazingly like perfect skin that's naturally rosy in the right areas. I feel, this is my personal opinion, that this definitely lived up to the hype. So far, this is my favorite product that I've tried out of the 3. So we have 3 more products to go, but wow, I'm like obsessed. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a close-up. So I just applied it like the same way I would apply any type of blush. All right, so the next product that we're gonna be trying out is, you guessed it, a highlighter. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I am obsessed with highlight. So I got mine, this is the packaging, and I got it in the color Haloscope, pretty much because it was the most hyped one on the website and also on Instagram. So it's kind of like this like glide on type of like thing. So basically, let's test it on our hand first. So the color payoff's a little bit better right here. I think it's gonna look, yeah, there we go, look at that. So it's the same concept as all the other makeup. You're gonna apply it like you would, you know, any other type of highlight, same area, and then you're going to, you know, blend it in like so. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do one side first and see how this blends. Let me see. So this stuff is like very dewy. I probably put a little bit too much, but that's my own bad. Next time I'll know a little, I'll be a little bit more familiar with the product and I won't use so much. I like it. I think it almost adds like, how do I explain? Like, it's a very, very dewy finish, almost like, I don't want to say sweat because that's like gross, but like it just really looks like your skin has this like natural like glisten to it. Like it almost doesn't even look like highlight. It just like, see this side there's no glow and this side there is, but it still looks natural at the same time, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the rest of my face like I normally would, and then we will get on to the next product. So I applied my highlight pretty much everywhere that I normally do. I did my brow bone, I did right here, I did the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. And like I said, every highlight that I've ever owned so far has been super bold, out there, like bright, bright, bright in your face, which I love. But I also love this concept too. Like, I still feel like it looks like I'm wearing absolutely no makeup. But at the same time, it's like this highlight blends so well into the cloud paint, and it just looks so natural, so pretty, so glowy and dewy. It just looks like I have really healthy, like amazing skin. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna be trying, I'm really excited about too. So it's one of their eyeshadows. Everything pretty much they have is like in like a glossy form, at least that I've seen, and it's called Lidstar. So I'm pretty sure, just like all their other products, you apply it with your fingers. I got it in the color Slip. The color that I originally wanted to order, they were all out of. So that hopefully tells me that their eyeshadows are very popular and loved. So let's go ahead and try this out. It comes like on a little thing, like a lip gloss thing would come on. So I'm guessing you just put it on your eye and spread it with your finger. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. I don't know what's with my mood today, guys. But anyways, so I'm just dabbing it and then I'm gonna spread it. I don't really know if you need a lot or if a little bit goes a long way. So we're gonna start small. But I like the color so far. It's very natural, which all these products are. And they do have bolder colors. Like, you can't really tell on camera. It's really just like a very, very like bright, almost like peachy, but more like on the pastel pink side shimmer, which I have no problem with the color payoff being really light. I think I put too much. Oh, well. So you guys, it's actually really beautiful in person. I love it. You can definitely see the pink in person. It's so, so, so subtle, but it's very, very shimmery. I don't know if you guys can tell. And the last product of theirs that I'm going to try is their matte lipstick. And I got it in the color Zip. I just love all the packaging. It's just like super, super cute. Everything's like white, and then it just says Glossier or Glossier. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. But it is in the color Zip. It's in this like really pretty like orangey coral, or more on the reddish side, but a little bit of a corally type color. And from my understanding, they're not supposed to be like super bold and pigmented. They're more just supposed to like add like a tinted look to your lips and stay on. So like I said, this is all supposed to be like more natural, more subtle, like lipstick and like makeup and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and try this out, shall we? It's actually pretty pigmented. I think that might be too pigmented with everything else I have going on, because everything else is so light and dewy. But I can make it work. I probably just don't put as much on. I actually really like it. The only thing is that since it's matte, it's actually not drying for being matte lipstick, but lately I've been more into like the glossier type of look. Glossier, get it? That wasn't even intended. That was stupid. Okay, sorry. Anyways, lately I've been kind of getting back into like the glossier type of lip look. So like what I would probably do is put like a gloss over this. In fact, I can probably do that and we can see what it does to the look. But I like the color a lot. I think the color does work with this look. You just have to put like a light amount on. But I really like the fact that this kind of just adds a lip tint, and one thing I like about the fact is that it's supposed to be a matte lipstick, but it's not drying. It doesn't just like automatically like feel like cemented to my lips. Like my lips are still very like movable, breathable. It looks very natural. It almost looks like I'm still not wearing any lipstick. It just looks like I have just like you know, tinted, beautiful, rosy lips. So I actually went and grabbed one of my lip glosses. This is not by Glossier. I just wanted to see what it would look like with a glossy finish because I've been into that lately. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, I really like what it looks like with the glossy finish. So what I would probably do, or what you can do if you like a glossier finish, Glossier does have just a normal like clear gloss that you can buy. I think they have tinted ones too, but don't take my word on it. I'm not 100% sure, but they do have, you know, just a normal gloss that you can try, which I almost got instead of the matte lipstick, but I just wanted to try this one because it had some color transfer on it. So I'll try and take some photos for you guys so you guys can kind of see better quality of what the makeup looks like in person. Overall, I really like all of these makeup products, but I would say my two favorites are definitely the highlight and the cloud paint. But I'm actually really glad that I decided to order all of these products because I pretty much have one of each product that I need to do like a full face of makeup. And like, I'm like so weird when it comes to makeup. I am always like, you know, a lot of times most people are usually like either they like really natural makeup or they like really like bold, like full face type of makeup. And I am the total opposite. You know, one week I might really like natural makeup like this and feel really confident and just love the natural look. And then, you know, a week or two later, I'll be like totally into the bold makeups, you know, like doing super bold, bright colors on my eyes and bold lipsticks. So I go back and forth, especially too, since I have really dry skin. I like to give my face time to breathe, but I also do want to wear some makeup just to, you know, enhance my natural features. So that is one of the main reasons I was drawn to Glossier, is because it's really meant to enhance your natural features. So, you know, if you are somebody who likes to wear makeup more on the natural side, or maybe you love bold makeup, but you also like to give your skin some time to rest in between wearing, you know, bold looks, I think this is a really great company. Not only because it just enhances your natural features, but also because all of the products go on really well. They look really natural, they're easy to put on. I think my favorite thing about all of these products is that you can apply them with your fingers and just, you know, blend it to your, you know, to your liking. It makes it so easy. If you're going to, you know, if you're running late, you can just apply some color to your cheeks real quick. Or if you're going to be traveling and maybe you don't want to take all your makeup, you could just take like your, you know, your 6 favorite, you know, products with you and just go. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. I can't even tell you how excited I was to try out this makeup, but at the same time I was like so scared because I had such high expectations and I was so afraid that it wasn't going to live up to the hype. So if you have tried out this makeup or you want to try out this makeup, comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you're going to try it out or what you thought of it if you have tried it out. And like I said, I want to continue doing more videos like this in the future. I love trying out products for you guys and doing first impressions before you guys buy them so that, you know, you kind of have something to go off of so that you don't waste your money. So if you have anything specific that you'd like me to try out, maybe a brand that I'm unaware of, definitely comment down below because I want to start putting out videos of stuff that you genuinely want to see. And these are probably like the funnest videos for me to film. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking now. I hope you found this review helpful. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!